Yo, what is up, guys? I'm back, and I just took like a week break of just vlogging and shit. It got really tiring, but at the same time, that should not have been an excuse to stop. Today is the 2nd of April, so we back. Don't worry, we back, guys. It's the 2nd of April. I'm currently in EU shorts. I'm gonna show you guys the trade setup. Called it in the Discord again. We had a W yesterday on NASDAQ, a short on NASDAQ, and I saw we didn't have opportunity today on NASDAQ since we just dumped. Since the overnight, since London, we were just dumping on NASDAQ and all the indices, all the index futures. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna trade the NASDAQ. And I saw a trade opportunity on EU. I was also looking at GU, but GU wasn't still in a deep discount, and EU was the only one that rebalanced. So I was looking at EU, and I got the trade that I wanted on EU, and I'm currently in it. I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, this is a trade. As you can see, just a really simple 2022 model, not gonna lie. I'm gonna show you guys in the Discord. Like I said since before, going into this morning, expecting choppiness on the NASDAQ after a large overnight move and the draw on liquidity, which was the original consolidation of the market maker sell model, was already reached. So I will not be putting real risk in the NASDAQ in the AM session. Then I saw, okay, EU, obviously have a higher time frame bearish order flow. We have higher time frame bearish draw to the lows. So I was looking for opportunity on EU. And I remember when I hopped on NASDAQ, EU was all the way down here. And I wanted to see a retracement back to OTE of this range, back to this breaker and this fair value gap. And that's exactly what I got, as you can see. And I was just waiting for displacement on the 1 minute. So, and my internal sweep, got the internal sweep, was waiting for displacement. I was waiting for a low to get broken with displacement. And that's exactly what we got. We made this internal low, broke it with displacement. That's where I entered. But I still think I entered too early. I should have waited for this low to get broken. So that's the only mistake I made today. I should have waited for this low to actually get broken before I entered the trade, because I still think I was too early here, because this could have easily been the internal swoop and we could continue going up. But anyways, this was the trade. I called it, gave the signal in the VIP room, as you guys can see. And it's playing out right now really nicely. And yeah, it's pretty simple, not gonna lie. Targeting around the 2RR. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. Yo, 4th of April. This is what, day 3 or something that I'm just recording. Again, we have another trade today on, I don't remember which trade, but we have another trade today on NQ. We have a long, we have H1 confirmation. It's literally a perfect trade, in my opinion. So I'm gonna show you guys, but H1 confirmation, entered like a couple of minutes ago, called it out in the VIP room again, bro. Again in the VIP room. Like, I'm calling all of these trades out in the VIP room. So yeah, but it's running nicely, almost at 1RR, and I'm gonna show you guys the trade. So yeah, as you can see, this is the trade right here. Obviously going into the day, we were really bullish since yesterday, and we made this high in Asia session, or close to it. Yeah, we made this high in the Asia session. So this was the recent high that we broke through, and this is basically just support and resistance ideas. And we had a big H1 fair value gap in here, but obviously, just because we're in this fair value gap, this big fair value gap, that doesn't mean we're gonna immediately react from it, as some people anticipate. So I was expecting a deeper retracement into a FEG in a discount, which was this fair value gap right here. This fair value gap was in a discount. So I was expecting a retracement in here, and for us to tap into this recent high. And I also saw this tree drives pattern that ICT always talks about, when we generate a level of sell side, take it, and generate another level of sell side, take it, and then we push up with a lot of displacement. And that's where I entered. When I got that displacement right here, you can see it clearly on the 1 minute. We had that displacement to the upside. That's when I entered. And but the trade is mainly framed on the 5 minute though. As you can see, we have this refined 5 minute fair value gap right here. And yeah, this was a trade. Holding it till this recent high around the 2.3R. Look at this beautiful trade, guys. Hit TP1, almost hitting TP2 right now, targeting this last high. Just literally A plus, bro. A plus, true drives pattern by ICT. Just patience, bro. Waiting for patience, waiting for inducement. Got that inducement here. Then again, market structure shift, easy. I already explained to you guys why I took it. There was literally no reasoning for us to short in this range. Or look, H1 confirmation, as you can see, let me remove this. H1 confirmation also with this bullish close. Expecting a retracement, we retrace to OTE of the range. Boom. Perfect trade. Like, I don't know. I asked some other people in my Discord also caught this trade. It was such an A+ trade. So, you know, today was basically free money on NQ, on the index futures, ES also. So, yeah.